Visit us on onestepenglish.com. Business English. Time is gold.
Let's learn English. Today, we will learn about the preposition of time, and when can we use them.
These prepositions are in, on, and at.
In. It can be used for a long period of time like months or years. It can also be used when talking about seasons, or can be added to morning and evening. On. It can be used for days and dates like holidays. At. It can be used for a precise time. Here are some examples for you to understand these prepositions better.
I have to leave at 5 minutes. Is there anything I need to do?
None. I'll be out soon too. Take care, see you tomorrow.
It's so hard to wake up in the morning. That's why I drink lots of coffee.
I can relate. I have to wake up at 5 a.m. just to beat the traffic.
In the summer, we go to France for a vacation. How about you?
I usually just go back to our province to visit my family.
The plane leaves at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Do you want to eat first?
Sure. That's actually a great idea. Where do you want to eat?
Can we go out on the weekend? I need to buy some supplies at the bookstore. Okay, I'll help you with that. Where should we meet?
I'm sorry I wasn't there. Did you have fun on your birthday?
I actually did. Too bad you were not there. Let's just have dinner tonight. We'll have an emergency meeting at 4 p.m. sharp. I will let them know about the meeting, ma'am. I should go now. I'm going to visit my parents on Sunday. Can we just talk about it when I come back?
Okay, no problem. This can wait. Take care on your trip. We'll just meet you at the restaurant at 7 p.m.
Okay, see you there. The next campaign will begin in December. Should we plan it now?
I think we can start now so we have more time.
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct preposition of time.
Number 1. I have to leave. 5 minutes.
Letter A. In.
Letter B. On.
Letter C. At.
The correct answer is letter C. At. I have to leave at 5 minutes.
Number 2. It's hard to wake up. The morning.
Letter A. In.
Letter B. On.
Letter C. At.
The correct answer is letter A. In. It's hard to wake up in the morning.
Number 3. The summer, we go to France for vacation.
Letter A. In.
Letter B. On.
Letter C. At. The correct answer is letter A. In. In the summer, we go to France for vacation. Number 4. The plane leaves 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Letter A. In.
Letter B. On.
Letter C. At.
The correct answer is letter C. At. The plane leaves at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Number 5. Can we go out the weekend?
Letter A. In.
Letter B. On.
Letter C. At.
The correct answer is letter B. On. Can we go out on the weekend?
Number 6. Did you have fun? Your birthday?
Letter A. In.
Letter B. On.
Letter C. At. The correct answer is letter B. On. Did you have fun on your birthday? Number 7. We'll have an emergency meeting. 4 p.m.
Letter A. In.
Letter B. On.
Letter C. At.
The correct answer is letter C. At. We'll have an emergency meeting at 4 p.m.
Number 8. I'm going to visit my parents Sunday.
Letter A. In.
Letter B. On.
Letter C. At.
The correct answer is letter B. On. I'm going to visit my parents on Sunday.
Number 9. We'll meet you at the restaurant 7 p.m.
Letter A. In.
Letter B. On.
Letter C. At. The correct answer is letter C. At. We'll meet you at the restaurant at 7 p.m. Number 10. The next campaign will begin December.
Letter A. In.
Letter B. On.
Letter C. At.
The correct answer is letter A. In. The next campaign will begin in December.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.